In this video, we'll continue with Python basics. In this example, you will see that you cannot mix a string with a number, because as a result you will have an error. Some operations are not allowed. I mean the types matters. This because Python knows the type of everything. So if you try to execute this operation, immediately you will have an error. We can have Python what type sometimes is by using the type function. If you print the type of everyone, you will see that are different or incompatible, and for that reason don't was executed. As a result, we can see that we have two strings and one integer. The strings are word and hello, and the integer is the number 1. One idea to execute this operation is to convert the string in integers. You can do it without problem if the string have at least one number. With this function, we are able to ask the user for input. To do it, we need to write the word input before define the variable. If you want to have a space between the question and the answer, you need to leave a space after the question when you are writing the code. Otherwise, the question and the answer will be together. As a result, you can see that how we don't leave a space, the question and the answer are together. To fix it, we need to go to the code and leave a space. But it still looks strange, and the details are really important. If we use a colon, will look better. Now we have the colon and the space before the answer. The comments are really useful because you can write anything in the middle of the code. I mean, there will be no error. To use it, you only need to write a hash and later your comment. You can use the comments to describe what is going to happen in a sequence of code. Or even if you are working in a team, you can document who wrote the code. As a result, you can see that the code was executed without any problem.